His first thing in the morning used to be writing a message to me, a beautiful love message or a song. He was very loving. He had always treated me as a queen. I've still continued writing him messages every morning. And whatever I do, maybe I'm traveling or whatever, I mean, I empty my heart out. मैंने उसको बता दिया. So that way I'm happy and glad कि मैं उसको सब कुछ बता देती हूँ कि मैसेज के थ्रू ही, not verbally but मैसेज के थ्रू सब बता देती हूँ. मेरा बचपन से ही मतलब मन था कि आई विल गेट मैरिड टू एन आर्मी ऑफिसर. बट फिर गुलाटी से जब प्यार हो गया तो तब ही वॉज नॉट इन द आर्मी, ही वॉज जस्ट डूइंग हिज ग्रेजुएशन. बट आई टोल्ड हिम कि आई ऑलवेज वांटेड टू गेट मैरिड टू एन आर्मी ऑफिसर. ही वॉज फर्स्ट वन फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली टू जॉइन फोर्सेस. When he became an officer, he came directly to my home and he told my mom कि ये मेरी जिम्मेदारी है, you know, you will not, I will take her with me. His passion used to just fly. बहुत ज़्यादा ख्वाब नहीं थे उसके, बस ये था कि इस देश को अगर मैं यहाँ हूँ तो मैं कुछ अच्छा कर सकूँ. He has taken part in so many rescue operations. 2014 में जब there was a floods in Kashmir, he was among so many officers who rescued people from there. मतलब बस ये देखा है कि whatever he used to do, he used to give his 100%. जब कारगिल हुआ था and we lost so many people of 101, I have seen him crying. You know, endless times I've seen him crying. I used to see somebody's photograph in the newspaper that he's gone. So I've seen him crying a lot for his close. 7 o'clock he gave me a call. As every sortie used to go, he used to call me before the sortie because I used to get panic. मैं सच में हनुमान चालीसा पढ़ती थी जब वो sortie पे जाता था. From the time he told me few incidents कि आज ऐसा हुआ, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा सुनना ही छोड़ दिया मैंने बिकॉज उनकी तो आपको पता है ड्यूटी इज़ लाइक फॉर देम नेशन कम्स फर्स्ट. हम लोग तो मतलब उनके लिए सेकंड प्रायोरिटी ही है हमेशा. आई कुड नॉट बिलीव दैट डे. ब्रिगेडियर हुक्कू, ही केम एंड ही ब्रोक दैट न्यूज़ दैट वी लॉस्ट गुलाटी एंड देन ही मेड मी टॉक टू द कमांडिंग ऑफिसर. So I think first time in my life I would say, what nonsense are you talking? I spoke to him at 7 and now it's like 9:30 and I think 7:45 we had lost him. I always wanted to know what happened. You know, I used to ask people कि मुझे please बताओ कि हुआ क्या. So I met his senior officer and I asked him कि you know, I will not take the name, but I asked him कि can you please tell me what happened? You did the court of inquiry. I wanted to know what happened. So he told me, ma'am, you know, he went doing what he was best at and what he always wanted to do. उस दिन से बस थोड़ा इतना सुकून है कि you know, he went doing what he wanted. You know, what he was passionate about. We always wanted Saksham to be a pilot. He was one person who was holding me कि mama, don't cry, I am there. I mean, I can't imagine such a naughty brat telling me, standing next to me, mama, don't cry, I am there, I am there. But it was difficult.